December 19th. Beautiful day outside. Let's go up there and see the view. Whew. Hopefully I make it alive. Beautiful Japan. Da, 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 da. Da. Go, go, go. Olympic champion up in here. She goes. Holy shit, I'm scared of heights. Yee. She goes up. Oh my god, that's steep. Da, 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 da. Holy shit, that's steep.
Friends still barking.
Ain't it cute? It's a nice little torii.
Look at your view.
Holy moly. From Kashima, Japan.
The second best football team in the world.
Second best football league in the world. Kashima Antlers. This bell's not even loud.
No, it's not probably that.
Okay. This place is so nice. No, there's just like a junior high up there
Oh, this is the school?
where the kids were coming from. There's a cemetery right there.